Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to another interesting video. In this video I'm going to discuss exercise 2.5. Here we have question number 6. One roots of a cube equation is free. Cube equation is free. Use synthetic division to find the other roots. So here we have to find out the other roots of a cube equation. So here we are given a cube equation which I missed in the question, which is 3x cubed minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0. So the solution for the given question will be p of x, a polynomial, which is x cubed minus 7x minus 6. This is given equation, so we can write x cubed minus 0x square because x square is missing in this equation, so we can write 0x square minus 7x minus 6 also is s3. S3 is the S3 is the roots of the given equation. S3 is the roots of the equation polynomial which are given. So we can write p of x is equal to 0. So we have x minus a. So here we have x minus 3 is a factor of the given cube equation. So cube equation, so we represent cube equation by p of x. So x minus 3 is a factor of p of x. And now x minus a is equal to x minus 3. So here we have the values of a. A is equal to 3, because now use synthetic division to divide p of x by x minus 3. Use synthetic division to divide the given polynomial by x minus 3. So we can write the coefficient of each variable. Here we have coefficient of x cube is 1, coefficient of x square is 0, coefficient of x is 7, and we can write constant term as it is. Now divide by 3, so we can write 1 as it is. So 3 into 1 is 3, so 0 plus 3 is 3. Now 3 into 3 is 9. Minus 7 plus 9 is 2, so 2 into 3 is 6, so plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Here we have 0 is the remainder of the 0 is the remainder here. So q of x quotient, we can write quotient is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Yes, here we get x square plus 3x plus 2. Now we have to find out the other roots of the given equations. So to find out the another roots of the given equation, now in other roots of p of x of a polynomial which we are given in the equation, p of x is equal to 0. So now another roots of p of x is equal to are the roots of q of x. So we can other roots of q of x is equal to 0. So we will put a q of x quotient, which is x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0, and then we will find out the solution or the solution set of the given quadratic equation. So to find out the solutions of the given quadratic equation, which is x squared plus 3x plus 2, we will split 3x into 2x plus 2, so we get x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2. From the first two terms, we will get x is a common term, this is a vector, so we get x into x plus 2, and from the second we get 1 plus 1, so we get x plus 2. Now we can write x plus 2 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. And now we already know that about zero vector property, so here we can use by zero vector property, we can write by zero vector property. Now by zero vector property we can write x plus 2 is equal to 0. So here if we subtract 2 both sides, so we get x is equal to minus 2. And another term is x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if we subtract 1 both sides, so we get x is equal to minus 1. So hence we can say the other roots of the equations of the cube equation, which is x cubed minus 7x minus 6 is equal to 0, or minus 2 and minus 1. So the other root is minus 2 and minus 1.